Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and find your AnyDesk address. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official AnyDesk application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official website right here, AnyDesk.com, and from here at this homepage you can get started downloading the application. So once you've downloaded and installed it, this is going to be how the application looks like. So this is the main page. From this homepage you're going to go and be able to find everything you need. You're going to start new sessions, you're going to have your settings right here and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to find your AnyDesk address. So basically guys, you can see right here in the AnyDesk Help Center we have this article showing us what the AnyDesk address is. So basically this is a unique address used to establish remote connections, and this is how it looks like. So basically the AnyDesk ID is a numeric address automatically assigned to every AnyDesk application installed on the device, and this is a unique 9 or 10 digit number displayed in the application. As you can see, once you open up the application, immediately you're going to see it right here at the top of the screen. This is your address. So as you can see, once you open up the application after installing it, you're going to immediately see your address that is randomly generated and given to you, and this is the address that you can go and use to send to other people so they can go and remotely access your device. So if you need to send your address to somebody, you can do so from right here, or you can click the invite button to automatically go ahead and send your address and invite to them, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.